In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a credit note to a bill in Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take an existing credit note and apply it so it reduces what's owed on the related transaction. Think of a credit note as a negative amount issued to correct an overcharge, return, or discount. Applying it properly ensures your balances, aging, and reports stay accurate. Start on your Xero dashboard and head to the sales area. From there, open invoices. This is where you can access the transaction that the credit note will offset. If you manage both customer and supplier transactions, the process and fields you'll see are very similar. The key is that you're locating the document that the credit note relates to before you allocate it. Find and select the specific transaction you want to adjust. Take a moment to confirm the details, the contact, the reference, and the outstanding balance. Verifying this now helps prevent applying a credit to the wrong place, which can throw off your account's receivable or payable balances. On the transaction screen, choose Allocate Credit. This takes you to the allocation view, where you'll link the credit note to the outstanding amount. If you have more than one credit available for this contact, make sure you're working with the correct one by checking the date, reference, and remaining credit balance shown on the screen. In the amount to credit field, enter the value you want to apply. You can allocate the full amount of the credit note or just part of it. Xero won't let you exceed the remaining balance on the transaction or the credit note itself, so if the number doesn't stick, double check both balances. It's also a good idea to consider the date of the allocation for reporting purposes, especially if you're working around a month-end or year-end close. When you're confident the amount is right, select Allocate Credit to confirm. Xero will immediately update the transaction's balance. If the credit fully covers what's outstanding, the transaction will be marked as settled. If it's a partial allocation, you'll see a reduced balance remaining. The allocation is recorded in the history and notes, so you maintain a clean audit trail for future reference. That's all there is to it. Open sales, go to invoices, select the transaction, choose Allocate Credit, enter the amount to credit, and confirm the allocation. With this done, your records will reflect the corrected amount, and your aging and reports will align with the reality of what's owed.